Welcome, my name is Thomas LEDFORD, and I'm here to share in this video my fast track guide to start your own successful tax service. Now I have a PDF guide for $27, but this is my actual program that I walk people through that you can purchase for a special price of $5.97 if you're interested in taking advantage of the special. The regular price is $9.97, payment plan of $197 for 6 months. Take advantage of the special price now, and it ends June the 25th. And so in this video, I'm going to go through a few of the modules, tell you what it's all about and what's in it for you if you decide to join and connect with me. Any questions, concerns you may have, inside the description of the video, I'm going to leave my contact information with you where you can email me, call me, instant message me. The choice is yours if you need to hear more about this program and how it's going to help you to get started. It's a simple way that's going to help you to build a successful tax service, which is going to help you to get set up and ready for the 2020 season, which starts in January of 2021. So on the left-hand side are the modules to the course that I created based on my 19 years of experience, 13 as a business owner, that I take you through. And so this is the workflow that I take all entrepreneurs through who want to start their own tax service. And so a lot of the people who start, they're already in the tax preparation industry, where they're doing tax preparation for Jackson Hewitt, H&R Block, or some independent firms. And so now they're ready to shift over to being their own business. And so that learning curve to being your own boss is one that can be deceiving if you're not careful about the journey you take. So when it comes to starting your own tax service, you got to know all the different things about being a business owner with a tax preparation service that you didn't have to know about being an employee. So the learning curve that's embedded in the transition that you must take and follow can be tricky and costly for you, like it would be for a lot of new entrepreneurs who take this journey every year after every year after every year. And so to alleviate the pain and pitfalls and frustration you're going to acquire by trying to do this by yourself, trying to figure it out on your own and make mistakes and learn it as you go, alleviate all that for a special price of $597. You can work with me and leverage my experience of being in the industry, leverage my success of being in the industry, leverage my insight and training of helping other people grow their tax service by getting started with an experienced entrepreneur like myself who specializes in helping you to get started anyway, is what I do. So if you need to know more and you want to talk to me and ask me specific questions, please reach out to me with the information inside the description of my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so every time I upload a video go live, you'll be notified. And so we still have time left to get you ready for the 2020 season, which starts January 2021. And so on the left-hand side of the course, we have the content information. We have modules that we start with. And so the most important module is module 1, and that's dealing with having you ready with your business setup and your EFIN setup, because the EFIN is the electronic file identification number, which allows you to purchase professional software and also work with third-party banks to collect your fees on your behalf. Now the thing is, since IRS has tightened up their security measures online, like a whole lot of other organizations have, now you got to be able to create a secure account in order to be able to put in an application with the IRS in the first place. And that's the biggest challenge for a lot of people, because the financial information you need off the list, a lot of people may not have it. And I don't have at this time an alternative way to be able to create a secure account without that information off the list. And once the IRS open back up where I can talk to someone, then I can find out, do we have an alternative method that allow people to create a secure account who might not have one of the financial pieces off the list, like a credit card, mortgage interest, line of credit, and things of that nature. And so when it comes to you getting started, that's going to be the most important part of the journey. That'll be the first thing we go after and attack. Setting up your business account, getting your EIN number, get your doing business name together, and having that formatted, and then taking that information and taking it over to the application of irs.gov, where we will create a secure account and put in an application under the e-file providers application system that's under e-services with the IRS. And so, like I said, the left-hand panes dealing with the modules that you'll go through. Any videos that's related to the modules will be given to you through my playlist, through my YouTube channel, which is the World of Tax Preparation. And so if you need to know more and want to take advantage of the special of $597, please contact me with my contact information before this special ends, and I'll see you in my next video.